Most people finish the day physically exhausted, but mentally still running. The body slows down while the nervous system keeps holding stress, stimulation, and tension. Tonight's practice is designed to help you gently unwind, soften the body, calm the breath, and prepare for deeper rest. So dim the lights, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Welcome to Unwind, 21 days to relax, restore, and sleep better. Over the next 3 weeks, we'll use gentle movement, breathwork, meditation, and relaxation to help to calm the nervous system, release tensions stored in the body, and develop a healthier relationship with rest. Tonight is simply about slowing down. So get comfortable and let's begin. So find your way into a comfortable seated position. We'll start our process of slowing down and turning inward with 3 deep breaths. Sitting nice and tall, pressing the seat down, reaching the crown of the head up, finding length in the spine. Roll the shoulders back and down so the heart is open, soft and relaxed. Then take a deep inhalation through the nose. Fill the body with breath. Open the mouth side out. And as you do, I invite you to close the eyes and turn inside. Again, as deep of a breath as you can. Inhale through the nose. Feel the body expand with the breath. And open the mouth side out. Feel the vibrations of the sigh. Massage the nervous system, connecting you with the body. One more time. Deep inhalation. Sniff in as much as you can. Open the mouth, sigh it out. And let go. And take a moment sitting with the eyes closed to just tune in to where you are now. Let go of everything that came before this, all the events of the day. And just take a moment to feel into your body. How does the body feel right now? If there's any aches, pains, tensions, don't worry, you don't need to change anything. Just be aware of what is there. The practice will do the rest. Beautiful. We're going to start our process of unwinding with some cat and cows. So let's make our way onto the hands and knees. Now, if it's early in the day, I would usually do this movement quite fast and with a powerful breath. But to relax in the evening, we want to do this nice and slow. Hands directly under the shoulders, fingers are spread wide, knees under the hips, and we connect the breath with the movement. We inhale as we arch and look up. We exhale as we round and gaze towards the navel. Breath and body move together. Inhale to open. Exhale to round. Try to make each breath longer and deeper than the previous one. And really make sure that as you round and exhale, you're allowing the breath to become completely empty. Get all the air out. Inhale to open. Exhale to round. And if you like, I invite you to close the eyes, turn inside, and really visualize like you're breathing along the spine. Like each inhalation is drawing in openness, and each exhalation is relaxing tension. Breath is through the nose. And take a deep inhalation, lengthen the spine. Hold it. And exhale, relax. You can sit back on the heels. Eyes closed, attention inside. Just feel what's moving within you. The gentle release along the vertebrae. Soothing the nervous system as we start to move and breathe in harmony. Beautiful. You can find your way to any comfortable seated position. We're going to do some spinal twisting now. Great to release tension along the spine. Start with the arms open to the sides. bending at the elbows, so the fingers are in front of the shoulders, thumbs behind, and keep the shoulders rolled up and back so the chest is really open. From here, we're going to inhale to the left, and then we're going to exhale to the right. Remember, nice and slow. Connect the breath and movement. Inhaling left, exhaling right. Let each breath be full and long, finding the depth of the movement for you. And remember, it's a relaxation. Doesn't need to be an effort. We're not trying to achieve anything here. We're trying to release. Working to take care of the spine, take care of the nervous system, relax the body and mind. Inhaling left, exhaling right. Keep those shoulders lifted, rolled up and back. Shoulders up, inhale to center. Find length through the vertebrae as you reach up. And release and relax. Eyes closed, attention inside, and just witness what's moving. Softening of the body, opening of the lungs, calming of the mind. Most people don't realize how much tension they still carry at the end of the day. The body may stop working, but the nervous system keeps going. Thoughts keep moving, muscles stay tight, breath stays shallow. So tonight isn't about performance. It's about teaching the body and the nervous system that it's safe to soften again. Beautiful. Next, you can extend your legs out in front. If you need support, you can place a little pillow or rolled towel at the hips to make sure that the pelvis is rotated forward. Otherwise, you can rock side to side and pull the flesh of the bum back to tilt the pelvis forward. From here, we're going to have the feet flexed, like the little toes are coming back towards the ear and the heels are pushing away from us. We're gonna have the arms up, and from here we're gonna inhale back and we're gonna exhale forward. So we wanna keep those legs engaged, okay? Again, slow, gentle, connected breath. Inhale back, exhale forward. Inhaling back 10, 15 degrees, exhaling forward to wherever's comfortable. Doesn't have to be rapid, just whatever feels comfortable to you. Helping to release tension in the back of the legs, hips, lower back. Breath and body move together. And inhale the arms up, reach up. As you exhale, just relax forward, placing the hands on the feet, ankles, shins, wherever they land, and just soften here. Relax the legs, relax everything, and allow gravity to just pull you into the depth of this pose. There's no need to get to any form. You don't need to impress anybody right now. It's just about softening your body, lengthening the spine. Take a few long, deep breaths here and offer a gentle massage to the internal organs. And with the next inhalation, slowly make your way up to sitting. Beautiful. We're going to bring the soles of the feet together now. Do some butterflies. So soles of the feet together. we sit with the heels as close to the pelvis as we can, where we can still sit up nice and tall. If I come too close, I start slouching, so find that distance for you. Sitting nice and tall, pressing the seat down, reaching the crown of the head up. We inhale the knees up and exhale them down. Breath and body move together, inhaling up, exhaling down. Keep that length in the spine, heart stays lifted, and try to find the depth of the movement of your hips. Waking up, opening, and releasing this area. Let each breath soften you a little bit deeper into the pelvis. And release the knees down. Just take a moment here to feel opening of the hips, releasing of tension in the lower back. Beautiful. We have one more pose that's very good to recharge, to release tension that can be held in this area, which is very common for a lot of us. And really good to ground, especially at the end of the day, or even if you've had a really anxious moment. I love this pose. When I go to the gym, I do this pose to kind of recharge after a set. It's called Malasana, or the Yogi squat. So we're going to come into a squatting position. Everybody's squat is going to be a little bit different. So find the positioning of the feet. For some of you, it might be straightforward. For some of you, it might be more open. And for some of you, you might need a pillow or blanket under the heels to support. That's okay. Make the pose work for you. And when you come into it, elbows on the insides of the knees, hands together in prayer, and we work to open the pelvis and lift the heart. And here, so we're just gonna hold this pose for 2 minutes and breathe. Really breathe deep down into the pelvic floor. As you inhale, visualize pushing tension out through the pelvic floor, between the genitals and the anus. And as you exhale, softening, relaxing your bum down a little bit more. Inhale to open the space. Exhale to soften into it. Allow the pose and the breath to be your object of meditation, softening deeper and deeper inside. Beautiful. Gently make your way out of the pose into any comfortable seated position. Just sitting with the eyes closed, attention inside. Feel the effect of opening the pelvic region. Sense of recharging and relaxing. Then find your way into any comfortable seated position. We're gonna finish this practice with some deep breathing. A lot of times when we're stressed or tense or in an emotional state, we don't breathe deeply. The best way to release tension, relax the nervous system is through long, deep breathing. And a lot of times, even when we say take a breath, we take a breath from here. We only take half of a breath. So today we're going to really emphasize the exhalation, making sure that when we take that breath, we're taking it from a place where our lungs are very empty. So I want you to exhale fully through the mouth. Really get the lungs as empty as you can. Then through the nose, take a deep breath. Hold it in for a second. And then again through the mouth. Nice and slow, we're not hyperventilating, but really get empty. Let your lungs be as empty as you can before you start the next breath. Then nice and slow through the nose. Fill the lungs as much as you can. Pause for 2 to 3 seconds, and again exhale slowly through the mouth. And continue on your own, just making sure you get completely empty before you start the next breath. We've got 1 more minute of this. Try to relax the body as much as you can and keep the integrity of that breath. Be aware of any tension in the jaw, the shoulders, the genitals or anus. Try to keep those areas relaxed as you breathe as long and deep as possible. And then we'll do release and relax and return to normal breathing. Sitting with the eyes closed, your attention inside. And just take a moment to feel where you are now. How you feel in your body, your energy, your mind after the practice. Just taking a few moments every day to release tension, to relax the nervous system, to let go of the busyness of the day can be such a beautiful gift to give to yourself. I invite you to feel that and take a moment to say thank you for giving this gift to yourself. Take a deep inhalation to the heart. And as you exhale, gently coming back. So I can thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing practice. And I look forward to sharing the rest of this 21-day program, Unwind, with you. For now, take as much time as you need. If you want to chill, relax, maybe you want to go straight to bed, meditate. It's your practice. It's your life. I hope you have a beautiful night, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Namaste.